This is my quick review of this On wireless mouse. I'll tell you what I like about this product and what I dislike. By the way, this one, the model is written right over here, model 10009054. Okay, the first thing I like is how clever it is that the batteries are hidden behind this panel over here. So it's held by magnets. If I remove here this panel very quickly, I have access to them. I can replace them, and when I'm done, I just clip it back. Very easy. Second thing I like about it is the fact that it didn't take much time to connect it to my computer and even to a tablet. You just have to connect this dongle to your device, turn it on, press the connect button once, and this is it. And under 15 seconds, everything is done and ready to be used. Now, what I disliked about this mouse? Well, first of all, again, it takes a dongle. I wish this was Bluetooth, so we don't need this to connect it. Because over time, many people lose the dongle, and then it's quite hard to connect it since you have to buy another one, and probably in the next 5 years, they will stop making these. So yeah, you'll need to buy a new mouse altogether. Now, the other thing that I wish was improved on this mouse is the fact that although it's cool that it has these two buttons on the side, you cannot customize them. By default, it's forward and backwards. But I wish you could have, there was a small software or something where you can customize these for other functions like opening a specific program, zooming in, zooming out, whatever, what are your needs. Now, would I recommend this mouse? In my opinion, yes. This is a very, very cheap mouse. It actually came with a keyboard and it was under $20 at Walmart. So if you're on a budget, this will work perfectly well. It's comfortable enough. As you see, it's not a very big mouse, so I have a medium-sized hand and it's perfect, I would say. I won't like to use it during like 3 hours, 4 hours at the time, but for 1 hour, 2 hours, I think it's comfortable enough that my hand does not hurt at the end. Sure, it's not the most silent mouse. The click is actually, I would say, on the loud side. But again, for a budget option, I think it does everything it's supposed to, very reliable. Definitely not a gaming mouse, but if you want to have one on the go and just a mouse that you throw in your backpack that does not take much space, I could recommend it definitely. If you have more budget, then this is another story. This is the actual mouse I'm using on the go when I'm traveling. It's bigger, it's a Logitech. This one is the M650. It's more expensive, but sometimes on Amazon you can find it on sale. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one. But yeah, this one is more comfortable. It has rubber here. This one is just cheap plastic. It has these buttons that are customizable on this one, so this is quite nice. And yeah, the feeling is definitely something else. So if you're on a budget, this is great. If you have a bit more to spend, definitely there's more choices, especially from Logitech. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, write them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.